Hey, what's up everybody? Happy Packing over here. Moving a wonderful family today, and I'm going to pick off these wheels for them real quick because they're missing one wheel. So we're going to pop that off from, just so you know, with Happy Packing Cleaning, we're very personable, and if you need something repaired or you need something disassembled, whatever you need, we're here to help out. So here we go real quick. Knock this out real quick. Bottom one down here.
Good.
Yep, we're looking good. How much you got left in the truck?
Small stuff, boxes.
Awesome. All right, awesome, man. I'll be out there in a second. Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
There you go. We got it. I'm Ann Frame. Peace out. God bless everybody. Have a wonderful Saturday. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Happy Packing and Cleaning. Also, don't forget, save a tree. We recycle our boxes. We give them out free of charge with our packing service. That's a savings to you. You take that savings, utilize it for our packing service. And we're going to be employing people with limited disabilities like Down syndrome. So, everything is helping everyone else for the whole. Peace. Deuces. Close me out, brother.